My lens is dirty.
Fuck off, I'm doing it.
Today we'll be showing you how to get axles for your profile hub. And Monero. Monero as well. As you can see...
Wait, hold on. Do we have a straight bolt? That...
No.
Oh, actually you can kind of see it.
You can just roll it.
You guys see that?
You can roll it.
Can you guys see that? Can you see these?
Roll
Kevin said
up.
we can roll it.
Bent as fuck there. Are those profile or hardware?
These are profile.
Look at what?
You're too big for Kevin's car.
I know. Everybody's too big. I'm
that.
bigger than Kevin. No, I'm not.
I know, exactly. Maybe.
I should be driving.
Yeah, you should be driving.
Yes. Thank you. Grade 8 bolts.
Yeah. Great 8.
And did you find the right size? Yeah, it's 3/8.
3/8 by 2. We need 1.5.
Oh, okay. It's in one of these.
5/16, 5/16, 3/16. This one.
No,
Okay.
this is where the black ones are.
But I want gold. Do you? I like gold zinc coated. These are sick. These are accent though. You need cap it.
Okay. So again, explain exactly what you're getting.
3/16, 3/8, 16 by 1.5.
By 1.5. Grade 8.
What
Grade
does
8.
the 16 mean?
Check it out.
16 threads per inch.
Check it out.
3/8 major diameter, 16 threads per inch by 1.5 one.
Wait, this one.
Yep, and these are-
$1.04. $1.04. This is what
But
is
if you don't want to carry around a socket extension, you can use a regular
size is it?
socket.
Wait, what size are the cap heads? Because I'll get one of these.
Hey, what size
These
are
probably
these?
too small.
are American. You have to carry an American
Ooh,
socket.
get out.
Ew.
Get out of there.
Yeah.
Get it. Throw.
Okay, so wouldn't that be an American?
Get that
Allen
blasphemy out of your hand.
Profiles are American Allen inches. Fans in
Here you go.
About to get some fanage going.
Bienvenido. Por favor, escanee su primer artículo.
You pissed?
No? I speak it.
Oh wait. Hold on. Cover this up. There we go. Grease it.
Dubstep.
Grease it.
Dubstep grease.
Don't do.
Nope. Smooth. Smart stuff. Yeah.
Spin it.
Good to go. Boom. Throwing them quarter turns. Them quarter turns.
Quarter turns. BMX needs to get on that quarter turn.
Probably not. That probably ain't really a bad idea.
I don't know.
Probably KG will probably do it or something.
Yo, KG, holla at me.
KG, get them quarter turn bolts.
Twitter at me.
It won't. It'll work just as good as your bearingless bottom bracket.
At KG.